Hello students, let us do notice writing. Now it's very easy to write the notice. First what you have to do is write the name of the organization, that will be your school. So if it is RN Gandhi High School, you just have to write RNG School and it has to be at the top. If you have taken the half of the page, then the topmost line will contain the name of the organization. Now leave 3 lines. You leave 3 lines and write notice, and leave 1 line, write whatever the competition is about, whether it's a science competition, whether it's singing competition, candle making competition or a sports event, whatever. You write the name of the competition or the name of the theme, whatever is given in your question. So you have to write what is happening because you're giving the notice of whatever is happening. That has to be written here. So here you start with the organization, you write the notice and you write the science competition. Here it is science competition. Now the date has to be written. Here you have left 3 lines. So in this 3 lines, the middle line on the left hand side, you have to write the date on which you are writing the notice. 2nd October 2022, there has to be comma after October. So the day you are writing the notice, that date will come here. So now you have written organization, you have written left hand side date, you have written notice, you have written science competition. Now you write a science competition will be conducted by the school. Now 3 things are very important in the notice: date, time, venue. You can put this in the word or you write differently: date 15th October, time 10 AM to 5 PM, venue a science laboratory. Science competition will be held in the science laboratory, or you can put in the words a science competition will be conducted by the school on 15th October at 10 AM in science laboratory. You can write either way, but these 3 things are very important in notice. Now interested students should give their names to the science secretary. It can be head boy, it can be class teacher or science teacher, whomever. Whatever is, see the question, whatever is there in the question, that you have to write. It has to be submitted. Interested students should give their names to the science secretary and undersign, or sometimes undersign. Undersigned is who? The one who has written this notice, and it's going to be mostly the head boy, head girl or whoever, or maybe science teacher, whoever, whatever is given in the question. Read the question carefully. So here the head boy is X, Y, Z, or you give an imaginary name like Rahul or Anil or anything. So this is the way notice has to be written. It has to be clear. Now how do you make this format very proper? Take half of the page, first line, you take the mid of this first line here and 3 centimeter here, 3 centimeter there, draw a line and write the name of the organization. 3 lines you have left, and in the middle line on the left hand side, at the start of the line, you write the date. Here again, just below this line, you write the notice 5 centimeter. Leave 1 line, make a line of 10 centimeter. Write this. All these things are given in question. The name of the organization, notice you have to write yourself. Here whatever the competition, write the name of the competition and then start writing what the competition is conducted, on which date, time and the place. And you write whom they have to give, the students have to give the name to. That is also compulsory, and somebody has to write down, whoever is writing has to write down head boy X, Y, Z. So this is the simplest way of making a notice and getting full marks in exam.